Hi everybody, I'm Natalie Quiltessa, and I have a good news for you. If you know what Ultimate Carryall Bag, you should. If you go to my channel, you will find Ultimate Carryall Bag. It's an organizer bag for sewing, quilting, any other crafts. It can be with ironing pad, which I designed it for myself because I'm a quilter and I do a lot of quilts and I need ironing pad aside of me when I go to classes or retreat. I just like having it just on the side of me. And it also can be replaced with a beading mat. Sometimes people ask me, can you replace ironing pad with a beading mat? So you can use this bag for beading. Here it is. I'll show you the bag. It says, see? But it can be not just for sewing or quilting. As I said, it can be also for beading or any other crafts or crafting activities. It has the zippered pocket here. It has pocket right here, one pocket and one sleeve. So you can put it on the roller cart and roll it on the cart. It just shortly, you can find much more videos on my YouTube channel. Here it is, the ironing pad right here. So when you put it on the side, you can use ironing pad and with your miniature iron, use it on the side. And in total, this bag has 18 pockets. Yes, 18 pockets. It's very handy. And what I was gonna tell you, now, I have a variety of colors. If you read the description of this bag, for this bag, I used to sell them in darker or lighter colors. So I was trying to match something for your dark fabric or for lighter. But now I have different colors. So it can be in green, neon green. It's bright pink. It's aqua or teal, gray, purple, beige, coral. I also have them in red, black and white. Sorry, not here. And the kit also contains fusible stabilizer Pilon 808, one side fusible for the pockets, Quiltex 71F for base, for the base. This is a pad, a piece of ironing pad. Also foam for the, it's a foam cord for the handles, and also the set of snap fasteners. So if you want to make your own bag, find the pattern and the kits in my Quiltessence Etsy shop, Quiltessence. You can also find it in my quiltess.com store, QuiltessS, quiltess.com. Also, the pattern is on blueprint.com. If you find me there as QuiltessaNatalie, and the name of this bag is Ultimate Carryall Bag. If you want to make your own, you can find the pattern where I told you, and you also can order it from me. I can make this bag for you. So you just need to find the beautiful fabric you want to, because the kit does not contain the fabric, and I will help you to make this bag with the colors which fit your bag. Remember, I also have all kinds of these vinyl clear bags which goes with the bag right here. Every bag contains 3 vinyl clear bags. More description and everything about this bag you can find in my Etsy shop, on Blueprint, or in my quiltess.com store. Thank you very much. Make your own bag. Good luck.